Whether you are a professional chef or an enthusiastic cook at home, our extensive range of products will ensure that your dishes always stand out excellent.
So we have been working with Phoon Huat since last year, and I think they give us a good platform. So when they have this event, they invited us. I think we think that it's quite a good event for us to participate.
We're looking forward to working more with Phoon Huat, and hopefully the customers enjoy whatever we prepared for them.
I'm glad that Phoon Huat actually helped us to engage with so many chefs and so many suppliers also. So we actually do a lot of collaboration. So this is a great opportunity to get connected with everyone. So thank you, Phoon Huat.
It's always we will supply and we will always support Phoon Huat in terms of the baking ingredients. So we wish Phoon Huat all the best and we continue to grow together as well. Thank you.
そうこれからも一緒にお客さんに向いて、取り組みができるように協力をお願いします。
So he said we are very happy to be here, and finally we hope that Phoon Huat will support us in providing our very nice coffee to the customers in Singapore. So thank you very much. Thank you.
We are embarking an extraordinary journey going beyond bakery. And we never forget our fundamentals. Our fundamentals still our bakery ingredients, but we want to go beyond to broaden our categories, our food ingredients, including premium meats, seafood, and also fresh produce that we are sourcing all around the world for all of you today, our valued food service customers in Singapore.